Today I'm with my friend Patty from Thailand
รู้สึกดีทุกครั้งที่
สวัสดีค่ะ
วันนี้จะมาทำก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือนะคะคือเพื่อนตี้เขาชอบทำอาหารมากแล้วก็เขาอยากให้ตี้มาชิมนะคะก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือครั้งแรกของเขาเลยโหยตื่นเต้นมากจากต่างประเทศเลยนะคะเนี่ย
Yeah, what she said. If you look like her, you don't need to learn how to cook. But if you want to be beautiful and know how to cook and be a double threat, then you'll be like me. Today we make kway teow.
ก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือก๋วยเตี๋ยวเรือ
Teow. Since we're cooking in Auntie's kitchen, she should look like me.
Thai boat noodles is not for the faint of heart, but if you're ready to brave it, you'll find that it is
อร่อย
First, most pork with bones will give you this reaction if you do a smell test. That is why you should boil it to get the impurities out. You should be used to me giving you life advice while you watch me cook by now. You may think, Yi, Auntie, why are you changing from Chinese food to suddenly Thai? And honestly, Auntie is bored of Chinese food and want a change. Just like how you can't be a doormat forever. You must change and stand up for yourself, Hamaya. This is Auntie's first time making Thai boat noodles, and because I'm multi-talented, I was ready to take on this challenge. Thai boat noodles take a lot of time and effort, and although this process is long, it's worth it in the end. When you change, you feel like you're doing something pretty uncomfortable, like mushing blood with lemongrass, but you know the secret ingredient to change is uncomfort, and without it, your broth is not going to be the Thai boat noodle you deserve to be. What makes a good broth is the same thing as what makes change good. It takes time, a lot of time. It needs to develop flavor, break down tough meats, and build body into the soup. From time to time, you got to lift up the impurities like oil and foam out of the broth, just like you need to cut out toxic people out. If you're a people pleaser and always saying yes to everything, just remember it's going to take some time to change. And if you change, some people around you will complain. They say stuff like, yeah, you change. Yeah, of course I change. I change into a person that grew some balls and tell you crossed the line. Like, no, I will not make this recipe vegan. The people who make it about themselves are called narcissists, and the people that tell you you're only being sensitive are called gaslighters. But it doesn't stop here. You want a good Thai boat noodle soup, you need to make the toppings. These are all a symbol of emotional maturity and safety. You finally know what you allow in to make your Thai boat noodles even more delicious. So my advice is to you, be patient, because all good things come to those who wait and are willing to put in the work to improve yourself. Be authentic like my Thai boat noodle soup. Okay, hi Gamla. Bye-bye.
Oh my god, what do you do?